game. Probably catch a sweet food from the candy cane. New shit, skating off all ferries. This is circle, now I'm chopping down good fella. How you gangsters ain't even got no street credit. Don't say a thing, I'd rather let the hood tell it. Get it poppin', got a problem, I'll let me. You ain't a rapper, just an actor like Tyler Perry. Sick and tired of niggas acting like they hard, but they soft, middle finger to them all. Same one to the laws. Crooked ass cops, all the free casing niggas, that's why they steady getting shot. In my city is wicked, you either killers or victims. You ain't doing either one, then you probably kill it. I don't fuck with you, nigga. I keep my distance, talking cold on the phone, cause the people be listening. Do my thing, pay a thing, just to clean up the kitchen. 17, probably be like 23 when I'm in it. Man, this shit is ridiculous. For my flag to cricket, stop playing, ho. You know I get more keys in the ignition for this life. Say she the wifey type, yeah. Brought her to the pad, let her rock the mic. Young Zeke sleeper got a lot of ice. Bust it open, I ain't gotta spend the night. Go home to your man, bust a fight. Real, I ain't even got time. I just had to be arguing with you. I'm too busy to get money. I'm taking on these niggas selling. I like to hear about it, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking I know there's a lot of people out here doing bad, blaming on the recession. But what you need to do is blame it on yourself. Hold up. It's that highway, I'm so good. Got some girls right through it. I let my money talk to me. Tell them they don't make you know stupid. Yeah, my money I won't say that shit. I'm hood like that. It's that highway music. And I got a stupid girl. Blue children.
The kid ain't there.
So, I'll let you won't. No.
Cocaine now. You already know, it's a motherfucking pilot, helicopter fly. You know what I'm saying? Open this motherfucker, you know. Yeah. Nigga, a lot of 20s. This ain't fake money. I'm a real nigga, so I get that real money. You niggas fake, so you niggas gonna hate on me. But I ain't even mad. Gucci bag, and it's full of cash. Yeah, I'm stunning hard. I ain't got a job. This ain't income tax, boy. Got the money from your bitch, though. She ain't nothing but a trick hoe. And it's a known fact that these bitches are sucking dick more. But I ain't even mad. Go ahead and get low. I might throw a couple dollars. I might throw a couple 20s. I might throw a couple 50s if she models. She bad. I might give her the whole $100. Fuck making it rain on her. I'ma hand it to her partner like her. Baby, it's all yours. Freestyle, yeah. It was going hard. I'm the motherfucking pilot. They helicopter fly. Shitting on these niggas. You ain't even gotta ask me why. Yeah, going hard till the day I fucking die. New whip every time I ride by. Like, damn, ain't that same nigga with the same? Ain't that the same nigga with the money on the thing? Yeah, that's me. See me coming out in a couple months. Something different every time. Never know what I'm gonna drive. Never know what I'm smoking, but I'm so high. And this shit's so fucking loud. Go ahead, 5'9". About to roll one. And I smoke one. I'ma need more than one. 2 hoes in the bed when I go to sleep. 2, 3 bitches laying next to me. We in VIP. We hit the club D. My whole clique on. And you pussy ass niggas been gone. I'm taking over the block. I'm taking over the spot. Yeah. I ain't gonna pull that out.